All right, today's product is a product we actually purchased ourselves. As I make a lot of videos, sometimes I need a way to power a wired video doorbell camera. Now, unfortunately, our house does not have any wires for a video doorbell or for a doorbell at all. So, I purchased this adapter, which is from this company. And as you can see, it works with Nest, ecobee, Honeywell, and many other devices. This will take 24-volt power and just turn it into a standard American outlet. It does include a 26-foot cable, so you'd be able to easily run this cable out your door to your video doorbell and run it all the way to an outlet inside your house somewhere. It'll also work with thermostats. You can see AC to AC adapter class 2, a little bit of this input and output specs, same little picture there, and just the company name there. And company name there, nice new sticker, so I know it's brand new. We'll cut that and take a look at our little adapter. So inside the box you get, wow, little wire there. Little list of compatible type devices. Now, technically, it should work with any 24-volt doorbell or thermostat. If it's 24 volts, it should power it. So I know it mentions specifically Ring, Nest, and Skybell, as well as Honeywell, ecobee, and Nest thermostats, but if it's 24 volts, it should work. It does have some nice little instructions for the thermostat as well as for the doorbell, so that's helpful. And then that's it for the box. Here's your technically 26 and a half feet of cable. It's 315 inches long. Got the company name on the power adapter. Standard American plug. And then you can see here, that's what you would use for either your doorbell or your thermostat. And then with this plugged into an outlet, you would have power where you normally would not have power. So that'll essentially do it for this 24-volt transformer for video doorbells and thermostats. As I mentioned, the company did not send this to me. I purchased this myself because I'll be able to use it daily with a lot of my videos. But thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.